Want to join club in PubG Mobile but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to My Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to join club in PubG Mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, click on the arrow button from the bottom right corner. Then click on the club button. Next, tap on the search bar and enter the name of the club that you want to join. Select the clubs option. Search for the club that you want to join and tap on the join button. And that's how you can join clubs in PubG Mobile. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.